Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Eric. If you're new, please subscribe. On the last video, I took the motor, trans, and the transfer case and the subframe all out of the engine bay, so that way we could get a better idea of the damage. Now we got to start cutting some of this stuff out of the car. So the first thing I want to do is cut this piece out right here, and then we need to get all of this apron piece out of here as well. That way we can maybe try to pull this strut tower out and uncrumple all this stuff. Here I'm just grinding out the spot welds so I can remove this headlight bracket. Once I have it grounded down, I drill them out with the drill bit. Now I move on to drilling and chiseling the apron to try and remove this piece. So I was able to stop by the dealership and I had them cut me a key for this vehicle. While I was there, I had them check and see on this front apron that needs to be replaced how much it's going to be and how long it would take to get. Well, they were telling me that it has to be made, which would take about 8 weeks, and then however long it takes to ship from Japan. So I think I'm going to hold out on that for right now and see if I can source something locally. But I gotta give a shout out to body shops or guys that do body work day in, day out. It is not easy work. I struggle trying to get this front apron apart, so let's keep going at it. Sometimes you just have to bust out the grinder and get down and dirty. So I was able to cut out this entire apron right here, It was a lot of work, but we were able to get it done, so let's keep chugging. Here, I decided to use a hammer and a dolly to straighten out this upright and get it back into shape. So after a ton of hammering, I was able to kind of tweak that little upright a little bit and get it straightened out. Also, something came in the mail, so check this out. It's starting to look more and more like an Evo again. Got this little piece right here, so now I just need to get the apron. But before we get the apron, we gotta try and get all this pulled out right here. The passenger side headlight bracket was pretty twisted up, so instead of trying to hammer this thing out and back into shape, I decided to cut it out. This bracket is pretty readily available, so instead of spending hours trying to massage it back into shape, I can just weld a new one later down the road. Alright, so I picked up this tool and it has a couple different names. I've heard it called a pogo stick, I've heard it called a hustler stick. But the idea behind this thing is if you have stuff that's kind of smushed up, like on this car, it will be able to pull, using the leverage of somewhere on the vehicle, it'll be able to pull those body parts out. So we're going to give it a shot. I don't know how it's going to go, but it's worth trying. The passenger apron is creased just slightly, so I have this clamp that I'm bolting up to it, and then I'm going to attach the hustler stick and attempt to pull it out. Trying to find a spot to get good leverage was not easy. Next, I move on to the driver's side, where most of the damage is. Once again, trying to find a good spot to get leverage was kind of difficult. Well, this is what I was afraid of. I barely got any of this stuff to move with that thing. The biggest issue I think I was having is the car's on these dollies, so it kind of moves when you try pulling the vehicle. So unfortunately, I think the only solution here is going to be to cut all of this stuff out and replace it with new ones. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button and be sure that you're subscribed. We're almost to 2,000 subscribers. I want to try and hit that goal by the end of this year. So if you can help me out with that, that'd be much appreciated. And we'll have more content coming because obviously this stuff has to get fixed.